Negasi ke santarik unailor kinong tre jong ketanat yang dang ke bahakani ke jela kibaran hakani ke nong ba shalom. Kilapan bana bakila thau thama ya kawai keseng ke balatip kum ke Federation of National Postal Organization. Keseng ke bantrik kam na ke banta ke bahakamet jong kinong tre ketanat yang dang hakani ke than chate lami ngi hi borok kawai. Ya ke jingsang ya ke ne keseng ke bathama jong kinong tre ketanat yang dang lapan bana hanne kasi ke santarik unailor da kinoi lam jong ne keseng hakaji kendo ba kinong pathai ke bor Hashlong Press Club. Hapo kajing ilam khamat jong Division Secretary Group C uba Simon Peter Darling u President uba Desmond and Nongklau bat kiwei de kinong kitkam. Kilai thu ba kimatrik kam hi ki ba khamat e jong ne kaseng kan long halor kajing dawa ne ki bor ba halor jong kanat yeng dak hakari hi barakwei. Halor kajing thau no ya ka Postal Division la ka jong na ka banta ka rilom garo. Bat ban penmi hi kam hakakerdan Superintendent of Post Office Garo Hills Division. Kaban pensok ya kejung trek kam jeng ki weipat kinong trei ki batrei hakani ketnat hari luam garo. Sa ka weipat kamat ka bakam kongsan ka bakani kaseng kandawa. Kalong bantong kam no mardor hakijaka balaj ki badai ki kerdan Gramin Dak Sevak. Haka Meghalaya Division bat kumjo haki weipat ki jela jongani ka than jatai lamingi. Nalor kini ki artli ki mat ki bakam kongsan ki weipat ki mat trek kam jongani ka seng. Bat ki balong ro ki mat jingdawa ki dangdon sapratli baro ki bashan kene ka seng kan sayaj khamat bandawa yakine.
Here, generally we find that our local MLAs, MP does not support, you support Kinengi for real issues. Like one issue is very burning issue is like local languages. Khasi should be a mandatory language while appearing for any exams. If in the pet bunse ni ki though this is central government banabar can think one and kini ki banangli na notice can think ki bar from getting job. For that also we request that especially for Northeast region Devanai languages as a mandatory obligation to appear for any competitive exam up to the level of Group C like clerical cadre ki Devanai Nalana ki dan local language tekna ban jongi especially ki khasi ki kam khasi JTS Garos ke. And there is one more issue in the fine ba SSP jongi who control from here he used to control entire Meghalaya and it is very difficult on his part bone control. We want a separate division for Garo Hills. If forming a separate division for Garo Hills, to SP Garo Hills at least he can look after the welfare and he can do administration rightly. Ni nakaliya ka union ni kwa ba ya kani ka BPM post but ki BO post immediately they should fill up so that ki khasi JTS Garo ki long eligible public in your come at least there will be recruitment avenues for them. Last time we already met with our honorable Chief PMG. We have written letter to Directorate Tambadu Manta Palongi tingi kwa kani ka post they will fill up. Like bunse ni gini ki offices ki long vacant staff only one or two ki try ki don ki offices only one GDS is working. Tingi kwa ba gini ki post they will fill up and this post is nearly about 150 to 200 posts are still lying vacant. And this post is actually what happened. Ki extra departmental employee. Now we call them Gramin Dak Sevak. Take a pay junki kalong kumne kin 40% of the pay is borne by state government. And nowadays I think state government is not paying for that. Tingi kwa ba ye kani ka post ki dibenai at least 8 to 9,000 rupees they will get monthly if this recruitment process that I keep in. So these are the issues we want to fight. We want to tell to our seniors and we want to do the welfare for the society, especially for Meghalaya and entire North.